Hey everybody, in this video we are just going to show you quickly how to find the cPanel in your Siteground account. So where I am right now is siteground.com. I'm going to click on login. I'm going to enter in my login information and for my Siteground account, not my WordPress account, just for Siteground, and click sign in. And then what it will do is bring me to this initial panel, and I will have the tabs across the top that say Home, My Accounts, Support, Billing, Referral Deals, Ad Services, and Perks. I want to go and click on the tab that says My Accounts. And then once I have done that, you will see here this orangish reddish button that I'm circling here. If I click on that, that takes me to the cPanel. Now, the purpose of this video was totally just to show you how to find the cPanel. So if you have other questions about using the cPanel, you can leave them in the comments or continue on your search for that information. This was a quick one. Thanks, guys.